All right, welcome to today's online math. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this equation. Now we are given 6 raised x equals 6x plus 24. Okay, now let's divide through by 6. Okay, so let's start by dividing through by 6 over 6 over 6. Okay, now this side will cancel this side, so we leave it 6 raised x over 6 equals, so this side is x plus 6 into 24, 6 for 24, we have x plus 4. All right, so any zero number to the power 1 is that number, so 6 can be written as 6 to the power 1. So we have this. Okay, and when we are given a raised x divided by a raised y, so this side will be a raised x minus y. And remember, this one can be written as a to the power x on a to the power y. So it's division. So we can do same here. We can say 6 to the power x minus 1 equals to x plus 4. All right, so before we can solve this equation, we have to understand the Lambert W function. And before we can, perform the Lambert W function, we have to understand this. So when you're given y, okay, alpha, e raised to alpha. So once you get something, okay, and then that thing will multiply e raised to the same thing, okay? Because when we're given W function of alpha, okay, e raised to alpha, the answer becomes alpha. Okay, so W function of 2 times e raised to 2. So whatever I have here equals that. Once you take the W function, the answer becomes 1 of it. Okay, very important too. So we are going to adjust this in such a way that we get something like this. So what we are going to do is to join this one to the x plus 4. So I'll divide both sides by 6 raised to x minus 1, x minus 1. So this side will go, I'll leave it 1 here. So I have x plus 4 divided by this. But remember, when you have 1 over a and you want to omit the fraction, make it linear, it will be a raised to minus 1. So when we have 1 over b to the power n, it will be b to the power minus n. So this side will be 6 raised to minus x minus 1. Okay, have that. Now let's manipulate this one. We will introduce algebraic manipulation here. Remember, we want to get what is here. We want to make what is here and what is there equal, so that we can take the Lambert W function. Okay, so we have 1 equals to x plus 4. So this side is the same as 6. So minus x plus 1, 1 minus x. Okay, we have 1 minus x. But this side is x plus 4. What are we going to do so that we get x plus 4 here. Now add let's add 6 raised to negative 5 to both sides to make this side 1 minus x times 6 to the power minus 5. Now minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4. Okay. Now this side times 6 to the power minus 5. So I have 6 to the power minus 5 equals to x plus 4. So let's perform the indices. This side will be 6. So I've left it minus x minus 4. Okay, so we have minus x minus 4 here. But this side is x plus 4. Now let's move on. 6 raised to minus 5 equals x plus 4. So let's write this one. Let's take minus out. Once I do, I'll get x plus 4. Okay, yeah, so we have x plus 4 here, x plus 4, but we have negative 1 here. So to make it equal so that you can perform the Lambert W function, let's multiply both sides by negative 1. So we have like 6 raised minus 5. So like 1, okay. So this side minus x plus 4. The same as 6 raised to minus x plus 4. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have this time e raised to that, once you take w function of this, you get alpha. Okay, now let's jump into the natural log function. Now anytime you take e raised to ln of box, the answer is box. So you can even write this 6 as e raised to ln of 6, and you still get 6. Okay, now to be able to take the Lambert W function, we have to introduce this one. Okay, so let's go ahead. As we take e raised to ln of this number here, and it won't change anything. So we have x plus 4 e, okay, raised to ln. So ln of that 6 raised to x plus 4 minus 6 raised to minus 5. So I have this. So minus 6, that's equals to. So anytime you're given e raised to ln of a to the power x, the same as e. So this one is a power rule, x ln of a. So this one will come here. So this one is a power, so we can do same. So we have minus x plus 4 e. Okay, so this side will be minus x plus 4 ln of 6. Good. Now we have the power here as negative x plus 4 ln of 6, but something is missing here. Remember we are to get this. Okay, what is here must be equal to what is here. So there is something missing here. We have ln of 6, but this side there is no ln of 6. So I'll just multiply both sides by ln of 6 minus x plus 4 ln of 6 e raised to minus x plus 4 ln of 6. As simple as that. Okay, so with this, we can take Lambert W function of both sides. We have W function of minus 6 raised to that ln of 6 cos W function of minus x plus 4 ln of 6 e x plus 4 ln of 6. So we have that. So once you do that, this one or that becomes the answer. Okay, so I have this. So the answer becomes, the right hand side to be minus x plus 4 ln of 6. Let's confirm. Okay, all right. So what we are going to do is that since we have minus x plus 4, okay, ln of 6, let's adjust what is here so that we can do cancellation. Yeah, so we have W function of that. So let me write this one as -1 times. So 6 to the power minus 5 is the same as 6 to the power minus 6 times 6. Okay, so if I add this, I will get this. So in place of this, I'll put 6 to the power minus 6 times 6 ln of 6, okay, equals x plus 4 ln of 6. Okay, now we want to support this one. Okay, so let me write this one as W function. So let me write this one first. So minus 6 ln of 6. So this one is here. Then we have the minus here. So I will support this 6 raised to minus 6. Okay, so times e raised to ln of 6 raised to that. Remember, e raised to ln of box is the same as box. So I've done nothing here. So we have minus x plus 4 ln of 6. So let's go ahead as we write this one as minus 6 ln of 6. So this one is a power rule, the same as e minus 6 ln of 6 because minus x plus 4 ln of 6. Remember the rule, this equals that. So once we have the blue function here, I'm left with minus 6 ln of 6 equals to minus x plus 4 ln of 6. As simple as that. So with this, since we have this equals that, this negative will cancel this negative. So I have 6 ln of 6 equals to x plus 4 ln of 6 ln of 6. Okay, so this ln of 6 will also cancel this ln of 6. I've left with 6 equals to x plus 4. So let's subtract 4 from both sides. 6 minus 4, x plus 4 minus 4. So we have this canceling that. So we have 6 minus 4, which is 2 equals to x. Okay, is x the only solution? No, we can have many solutions here, but it will be difficult. So the only real solution here is x equals 2. Okay, so let's verify. Okay, so we have 6 raised to x equals 6x plus 24. So x is 2. My x is equals to 2. So let's plug in 2 here. So that will be 6 squared. 6 times 2 plus 24. So 6 squared is 36. 6 to 12 plus 24. 24 plus 12 is also 36. Therefore, 36 equals 36. Hence, proved. Alright, so that is the answer. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this.